Now, while sort of hopes of a vaccine are sort of ticking along, Italian authorities aren't taking any chances when it comes to just trying to control the spread of coronavirus within the country. What kind of strategies are they employing?
Good morning, Rosie. Well, we know that yesterday the Senate extended the state of emergency that was due to expire at the end of July until the 15th of October. That state of emergency was approved at the very beginning of the outbreak at the end of January, and we're expecting happening the same in the lower house. Prime Minister Conte said that this was an inevitable decision, in fact, even though the curve of contagion, but also the impact on the National Health Service has significantly reduced. Well, figures do show that the virus continues to circulate across the country. As of today, the state of emergency has allowed the Prime Minister to implement emergency measures. So we're going to see that happening as well in the next few weeks, in particular in case of a worsening of the situation, in case of a second wave of infections. When it comes to social distancing, but also wearing face masks and travel restrictions, these will be reviewed, and probably there will be a new decree that will be approved in the next few weeks. In particular, the state of emergency will impact the reopening of schools. Now, Italy is the only country in Europe that has not yet reopened schools since the 8th of March. And we know that the state of emergency will still be in place on the 14th of September when schools will reopen. But these would allow the government and authorities to reopen schools in a much quicker way. In fact, they won't have to go through lengthy bureaucratic procedures when it comes to get hand sanitizer or face mask supplies. Opposition parties protested against the decision to extend the state of emergency. In particular, Matteo Salvini said there's no need to extend the state of emergency. They simply fear that the measure would make the government and Prime Minister Conte over-controlling in the next few weeks. Rosie.
Giorgia Orlandi, our correspondent in Rome, thank you very much.